So you're thinking of buying a house in the township of Cavan, Monaghan, and you find this cute little town called Millbrook, Ontario. You have a look around, you see that there's only one grocery store, one school, and you're wondering, is this the town for me? What am I getting myself into? Today, we're discussing all things Millbrook, Ontario has to offer and why you might be interested in it. With Millbrook's slower paced vibe, laid back country living, but also super quick accessibility to major highways and affordable housing is what is making it the new it town. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Carrie Brockhurst and I am a real estate agent here in Peterborough, Ontario. Kind of forgot for a second, but I get text calls, emails from people just like yourself watching this video. If you have questions, concerns, you're relocating in Peterborough, feel free to reach out. So you might be wondering, where is Millbrook, Ontario, or what is it? And why is this the new it town? What do you mean? Did I miss the opportunity? Don't worry, you're still able to jump on the bandwagon. So you are about 15 minutes west from Peterborough, Ontario, but the reason people are loving and gravitating towards it is because it's still so close to the 115, which now has connected to the 407, which means if you are a commuter, this is making it very desirable. Housing prices are a lot cheaper than the GTA or Toronto, so people are coming out this way. In the last 3 to 4 years, we have seen an absolute jump in the housing prices in Millbrook. If you were lucky enough to get in before the 407 was actually completed and attached to the 115, you were getting a snag. So there is a brand new subdivision on Fallis Line where people bought when it was dirt. So a home that you may have purchased for, well, 500,000 will be going 7, 8, 9 millions. So these homes were made by Pristine Homes and Belmont Homes. They are going to be actually releasing another phase. However, you're not going to get that cheap housing price anymore because everyone from the city has actually caught on to moving to Millbrook, Ontario. So brand new homes. This is obviously the presentation center. So these ones aren't for sale, but you can kind of get a gist of the type of homes that are going to be in the subdivision. We are up on Fallis Line. Right here, you can see them working. This is where the new part of the subdivision is going to be opening. So phase 3, I believe, is going to be coming soon. Super nice. It's right by the brand new hockey arena. There's a track inside there and the fitness center. So really nice up this way. You're on top of the hill and then you go into the little cove. It's a great little town. It's a great little commuter town. And if you can get a brand new build for the 700s, you're not going to be getting that in Toronto. So another great thing that Millbrook has to offer is a lot of history. The people that kind of grew up in Millbrook don't love all the newcomers because they saw what the town was before. But if you were looking for a home with character and small town vibes, this is definitely the one. Is their main street. They have super cute shops. They have a dental office, pastry peddler, which is a really cute cafe. Right here behind me, I'm gonna get out and show you, but this is the main street in Millbrook. It's happening right now because it is a Monday morning. People are off to work and school, but let me just show you some of the character it has to offer. And downtown here, you can see historical buildings. This is where actually a lot of Netflix series come into film and movies have been produced here, which is super fun to go downtown and you can kind of see them filming. So this is where all the movie trailers would be filmed. As you can see, super old, historic buildings. One downfall of living in Millbrook is that you only have one of everything. So there's one LCBO, there's one grocery store, one gas station. The grocery store is Foodland, so it is a little bit pricier, which means you're gonna have to travel into Peterborough to get your groceries. Not the grocery store, but all the downtown shops are gonna be closed Sunday and Monday, still old school. Downtown, they also run a lot of events, Summerfest, Christmas in the Village, Women's Night. They'll close the street, they'll set up vendors, you can walk the street. Super fun with your family, the kids. They have an event called Touch a Truck. They can touch huge, big excavators and fire trucks and ambulances and police cars, which is super great. Millbrook Fair is another huge event that happens, really big thing for the community. There's also a lot of hiking trails and nature. Honestly, behind me here is one of the Millbrook trails that if you come here, you need to check out. And another amazing feature, or what I love about Millbrook too, is the dam. Now, does this make it the reason why it's the up and coming town? No, but it's super cute and it's nice to have your lunch and sit by. Can you hear it? I'm gonna show you guys. So back in here, there's all these hiking trails that if you move here, you definitely want to try out. Behind me here as well, this is where wintertime, it's pretty much the happening place to be. You can bring your skates, your hockey sticks, your nets, and honestly, everyone just has a fantastic time here. And yeah, it's fun to get outside and enjoy the outdoors when it's super cold in the winter. Now, the main question you all want to know, why is this the new It Town? Have you ever heard of Brooklyn, Ontario? It is north of Whitby. Now, if you knew Brooklyn 15 years ago, 20 years ago, it pretty much mirrored Millbrook, Ontario. The 407 got extended, so everyone was coming out of the city to live here. If you go to Brooklyn, Ontario, the housing prices are astronomically expensive. What a lot of people are saying, Millbrook is turning into Brooklyn, which is why if you can get in now, down the road, if you're looking to retire or you just want to have a little bit of cash in your pocket, buy a home in Millbrook. I've heard through the grapevine there is actually a commercial plaza going in, potentially getting a Tim Hortons, a dance studio. So there is a lot of amenities supposed to be coming to Millbrook. I can't confirm nor deny all of these amenities, and making it super quick for travel to get on the highway and commuting makes it the greatest possibility for it to be the next It Town. Now I know this was a super short video. I hope it was I feel like I can't talk today. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, if you think I'm wrong, if you think I'm right, comment below. I want to hear your thoughts if you are local to Millbrook. If you got any other inside scoops that I may not be aware about, let me know in the comments below. If you have questions, concerns, you need help relocating to Millbrook, I also service that area. I get text calls, emails from people just like you, so don't be afraid to reach out. Ciao for now. Bye.